You pay to apply for jobs and still end up waiting with no response? That's exactly what raises eyebrows about FlexJobs, a platform that positions itself as a premium solution for finding remote and flexible work. On the surface, it looks polished and trustworthy, mainly because it focuses on screening out scams and low-quality listings, which is a real problem on most job boards. Instead of wasting hours filtering through fake work-from-home posts, everything here feels more structured, more professional, and honestly, more serious. But here's where things get interesting. Access isn't free. You need a subscription just to start applying, and that changes the expectations completely. When you're paying, you naturally assume better results, faster responses, or at least some kind of advantage. The reality, however, feels more nuanced. Many of the opportunities listed aren't exclusive. You can often find the same roles on platforms like LinkedIn or directly on company career pages. So what are you really paying for? Mostly convenience, organization, and a cleaner user experience. For some people, that alone might justify the cost, especially if they value time and want to avoid scams. But if you're expecting guaranteed callbacks or a shortcut to getting hired, that's not really what happens. It still comes down to your skills, your application quality, and a bit of luck. So FlexJobs isn't a magic solution, but it's not a waste either. It sits somewhere in the middle depending on what you expect going in.